big sister.
Yeah, that's nice holding Ryder like that. Good job. Oh, hi, Ryder. Hi, Ryder.
He's happy.
Are you trying to grab Cora's hand? Are you trying to grab Cora's hand, Ryder? Hi. Are you all done?
What happened?
You want to get up or you want to stay?
I'm gonna get up.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me get Ryder first.
Whoa, good job, Corabelle. Is he heavy?
Yeah.
He is heavy, isn't he?
I'm moving the washcloth.
You gonna get a washcloth? Okay. What are you getting a washcloth for?
Ryder's 3.5 months. Cora's
Then this my Mickey.
2.
There's your Mickey.
This mommy.
Bye.